It seems that you're happy, Pam. Are you not tired from our shift tonight?
Honestly, I'm a bit exhausted, yet I cannot deny the fact that I'm more excited to finally see my parents back home.
Oh, I see. So you'll be spending your vacation at your hometown?
Yes, and I'll surely savor every moment I'm there. I wish I could visit Philippines too. I've heard that it has a lot of wonderful places. Absolutely right, especially our province, Bohol. Boholanos proudly embody their rich heritage, celebrate stunning natural wonders, vibrant cultural festivals, warm hospitality, and commitment to preserving historical and environmental treasures. And that is why I'm proud to be a Boholana, a proud Lilanhon to be exact. Sana all. Well, surely visit your province some other time.
We don't know. We can find our true love there.
Speaking of true love, do you have someone in Bohol too?
Let's not talk about that.
Oops, my shift is over. Bye, Sala Nicole. See you after vacation.
Bye, Pam. Enjoy your vacation and true love.
Samtang nag-andam si Pamela sa iyang mga gamit pauli sa Bohol, nanawag iyang mama ug papa para ikumusta siya ug makita sa mga dagway niini ang kamingaw sa ilang anak nga sa 10 ka tuig nilang wala makauban.
Paraiso ang gipasigar ko na mo pinuyanan ug yutang matawa.
Ano na? Nakapangandam na kasi ng mga gamit? O ma, inyong mga gasasad ni Papa, nana dire.
Anak, akong sapatos ha, ug mga polo, kanang magwapog ko sa mga papara, maribog taman imong mama na ko.
Pagpuyo dira oy. Asus, si Papa Judoy. Opa, kompleto na ni tanan.
Sige na, love you, bye!
Love you too. Pamela, makauli na jud ka. Makauli na ta. Makauli. Nako.